All we need from you to get started is a location, and this is a location where you could reasonably see 5 people hanging out.
College dorm.
College
College dorm.
Thank you.
And she tried to stop me from eating all 6 bananas, but I was like, it's better than cake, so I just did it.
Good for you.
You know, bananas have a very similar texture to cake, so if you're ever craving cake, it's like really good substitution. You don't have to feel guilty, like, because you're on a diet.
That's so true. Really good point. When you're out here making your own decisions.
Yeah, I'm not, like, we may have been together, like, for a year now, but she's not like, I can eat what I want, I'm an adult in college.
And that's what college is about.
Yeah.
It's about making your own decisions.
Right.
If you want to eat 6 bananas in a row nonstop, that's your decision.
Thank you, Lauren.
If you want to eat ice cream for breakfast with chocolate syrup,
Whoa.
that's someone's decision.
Yeah, and if you want to get mac and cheese with chocolate syrup, that's also a good decision.
They have them both in the dining hall.
What was your life like before this?
Before college?
Yeah, you just seem very, really into it. And I'm all for it. I'm into it. Go, do what you want, you know?
Yeah, it just seems like you're bringing a lot of loaded energy to the bananas thing.
I like it.
Good energy, get it out.
You're an adult now.
That's what I'm saying. We're here to assert our independence. You know? We don't have to feel guilty about the things that we like, the
Right?
things that we do.
Guys, it's your RA, I'm just saying, make good choices. I'm here to support you. I'm not just your RA.
It feels like a judgment, though.
Oh, no. RA, like, you guys should explore, find your independence. You're an adult. You're living on your own for the first time. How cool is that?
It's so cool.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You're cool, RA.
Yeah, you are cool.
What?
What was your life like before this?
It was totally normal.
Jeff, you really seem like you're trying to convince us that it was normal. I
No.
think a normal person would say that.
No, I'm not trying to convince. I mean, it was normal. There was like breakfast and lunch and dinner. There was a family, and there was,
People don't talk about their families.
You're him.
Oh,
There was
There was a family.
It was a family. It was a familial family event every day.
Was it your family? Or was it a family?
It was a family.
Some family's house and just come out.
Well, that was
Were you biologically related to this family?
off and on.
Say that again.
Look, it's not that big of a deal, okay? I was with my family, and then they were really regimented, so then I went over to the neighbor's house, and they were like opposite of regimented, right? So sometimes I get a little off the wall, and other times I get real into it, okay? Like this assignment that's due, and it's not that big of a deal.
The neighbor's house?
At the other family's house, yeah.
Was there another kid there?
No. It's just me. Every other weekend.
I'm not judging you. That's just, I wouldn't call that normal.
We're not judging.
I'm not judging.
No.
We don't have to dig into
Yeah.
this right now. We have the whole semester.
No.
We have to know each
Right.
other.
Look, it was very normal. There was a family. That's the most important thing, you know?
Okay, we'll drop
That's-
it.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
we'll
true.
drop it.
Drop it.
Right, we'll
Yeah.
drop it. I'm not wondering anything else about it.
Look, I have to do this thing on my own. I'm not supposed to use the internet for this one portion. And I don't trust myself to not do it if the internet's right in front of me. So, one second.
What the fuck?
lie just to get away from us, right?
I didn't mean to like rush in and like judge him and everything, because he clearly doesn't have a, does he have a family? I really can't tell.
They don't give me this stuff when I get you like your record. The situation is, they just tell me to like be cool and like give you guys a safe space.
What is a safe space?
This is a safe space.
What makes it safe?
The fact that there's no judgment here.
Oh. We should just like embrace it, like whatever, like modify our backgrounds to match it. Make it feel better. Is that safe?
That's a good idea.
Yeah, no, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, I read about that in psychology class. It's where you take on the personality of someone else. Everybody just feels better.
Oh no.
Oh, it's just hamster dance.
He's not doing an assignment.
There's no portion of that you can do without the internet.
I know. And no one will watches this anymore.
Do you think this is his first time on the internet? And he like just discovered hamster dance?
But I wouldn't give to discover hamster dance for the first time.
I'm thinking about it now the first
Yeah,
time.
right.
Damn. Oh, you guys remember was the baby monkey on a pig?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good one too.
Yeah.
Oh. I love memes.
Do you guys remember that one that was like the peanut butter and jelly dance?
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly and a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly and a baseball bat. Now where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Now where they go? Where they go?
Are we making sandwiches? It was totally normal. What? It was a normal family. It was like, wait, okay, no. This is, I went over to the neighbor's house sometimes, okay, because I couldn't deal with the rigidity of my family, and they were like completely lax, and so sometimes
You waffle.
I waffle.
Okay.
I get into a little both, you know?
Waffle on families?
I'm who I am, and it doesn't matter.
We're not judging you. I'm just saying we wouldn't call that normal.
No, we're not judging.
I don't think. No, I wasn't saying you were judging. I mean, I think it is normal,
Okay.
right?
Just, yeah, I mean, do you feel like it's normal? I don't know, let's just drop it.
We can just-
Yeah, this is,
We have all semester to get to know each other.
Yeah,
Right.
Let's
exactly.
not rush it.
Exactly.
We all have
right?
weird things about ourselves, right?
right.
Yeah, we all have weird things.
Um,
Homework assignments.
yeah, I'm gonna go think about doing laundry.
Bye.
Hi, Laura.
Okay, so she definitely has a weird thing that she doesn't want to talk about.
Definitely, 100%. Sorry, I'm certain of it.
You're certain?
Certain?
Yeah.
Do you know something?
No. I mean, I just think, we should talk about her.
No, Jeff, this is something that's concerning. I should know.
You should tell the RA. She's here to make the space safe.
I want this to be a safe space
It is a
for
safe
Lauren.
space. It's
Yeah.
a safe space.
Oh, yeah, so something's up with her. I don't know, she's rigid. She's really into like breaking something
Yeah.
the opposite of rigid.
She folded everyone else's laundry in the laundry room.
Mhm.
She just took it out and finished it for everyone else.
Yeah. So when it comes to other people, she's taking care of all the things real specific, right? Going into my homework assignments and stuff. But then I saw her eating chocolate for breakfast.
We shouldn't judge what people eat, though. I mean, like,
Right.
we're in college.
It's unhealthy. It's not healthy. to
6
say.
bananas.
These aren't bad choices. This is not concerning. This
No, I'm
is-
just saying, like, I think she vacuumed my room while I was sleeping in it. Yeah, No, so I got really drunk.
Was this Saturday night?
Yeah, so
Dude, you were hammered.
it was, but
Oh my
I had this
God.
really vivid dream that Lauren was vacuuming my room, but I think maybe it wasn't a dream, but there's no way of knowing.
You were a floor cleaner?
They were!
You guys were drinking?
It was an off-campus thing, and boy, I just had one. I don't know, Nick, were you there?
I was drinking sodas.
He was.
Sprite. It was Sprite.
I don't have to write you up.
Oh, come on.
No, I thought we were cool. You were sitting there like all chill. I thought this was a safe space.
It is a safe space, but here's the thing, you're still underage drinking. I still have to exert my authority at some point. Carry on.
Shh. Nina, Lauren is polishing your shoes.
I am aware of that.
We're all sober right now, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay.
It's very concerning. As concerned since.
The polishing is the.
Serious concern.
Yeah, let's talk more about that, not drinking. That's stupid.
It's not weird.
It's
It
weird.
was a normal family.
You might say that about normal families.
Look, okay, alright, my family had a strict schedule that I had to complete by 8 a.m. every day or else I got kicked out. And when I got kicked out, I went to the neighbor's house, okay? And the neighbor's house had the opposite problem, so they kicked me out for being too strict, and then I went back and I go back and forth. It's fine.
We're not judging.
Not judging.
Nobody's judging.
I was just using the word normal for that.
I'm just not, we're not even gonna talk about it.
Yeah,
We don't have to
just drop it.
We can drop
it.
Yeah.
Drop it. Drop it.
There's lots of other stuff to talk about.
Moving on.
You guys have the whole semester to get to know each other.
Exactly.
There's no need to
True.
rush it right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
For sure.
I'm gonna go get us all some bananas. Who wants banana?
Right.
Banana, 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 banana. Alright, everyone getting 2 bananas. I got one in my pocket.
Just throw it on the floor? That's that.
It's little. It's messy, you know?
So, Michael and I went to high school together.
It's true.
Oh my god. That's so cool. So you guys had like a bond, you could be there for each other, celebrate each other's victories and losses, hold each other at night, cry into each other's shoulders.
Were you homeschooled?
No. I mean, depending on whose house I was at. What was it like for you guys?
We were on the student council together.
Yeah.
Oh.
She was the president. I was the vice president.
What was the biggest piece of action that you legislated in high school? We weren't really that active.
No, it was just like kind of a cool thing you could put on your resume for college, but doesn't really mean anything.
You had a resume for college?
Well, on my application, you know, yeah.
Oh.
I got to say like vice president, student council, but I didn't really do anything. It was awesome. No,
We ran a 5K together once. The student council got together and ran a 5K.
yeah, we didn't like raise money or anything. We just wanted to see if we could do it. It took a while.
That's cool, you know?
But my point is like, I feel a little bad because I feel like we have a leg up on everybody, you know?
Oh yeah, I mean, like we know everything about each other basically. I mean, you can't get through student council without, you know, digging out the skeletons in your closet.
That's fine, you know? I had a lot of friends. Like internet friends, you know, you'd be like,
So you've been on the internet for a while.
Yeah, you'd be like, AOL-ing them. And stuff. Develop a serious relationship. I bet you.
Alright,
did
cut the
same
bullshit,
thing.
Jeff.
I bet you did the same thing.
Jeff,
What?
you've clearly never been on the
Don't.
internet.
It's like the hamster's like dance. It's
Yeah.
really incredible.
College is gonna be a wild ride for you, buddy.
No,
Yeah.
I've been through worse. Okay.
Okay, I didn't say it was gonna be bad. It doesn't
I'm
have to be a
literally
bad
scared of the things that you've been through.
I believe that you've been through a lot.
Yeah. This is a safe space. Like, we just want you to feel chill when you're hanging out.
What would make you feel chill? What relaxes you? What do you like?
I don't know. No one's ever asked me that before.
Does it make you uncomfortable to watch it?
No. I feel like friends touch. even RAs. And I'm like, man, come touch me.
Why are we doing this?
Friends?
Friends touch.
What? No, don't look at me like this, okay? I've gone through this before. It was totally normal, okay? I had a gymnast family at one house, okay? And the other house were circus freaks, alright? And you went back and forth and they were very competitive with each other. And you had to pick which one side you were gonna be on, and eventually I started out on my own and had a whole life in the woods with the wolves.
I would never judge you for that.
We're not judging.
This is a safe space. I'm gonna go look up some information. Right back. We're gonna drop it.
We can drop. We have all semester.
All semester.
We're all
Also,
semester.
RA's gone. Michael?
Michael!
Oh,
That's
did you
real
drink?
quick.
Yes, I know how to drink.
Okay, I don't know.
Do wolves drink?
Hey,
Good
don't bring
question.
the wolves into this.
Show us some of your gymnast circus moves. Do it.
Alright, fine, alright. But you gotta promise if I drop the beer not to do anything, okay?
Not to do anything?
Yeah,
Like
alright?
what? Pick up the beer?
Like don't, yeah. Alright?
Wait, you're.
So weird.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. In my house we called that getting iced.
Come up, my friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh man. You're gonna be fine. It seems like I don't know, you had a weird home life or whatever. But like, if you can do that kind of party trick,
Yeah.
yeah, you're
Yeah.
gonna be fine.
We're gonna take video and you're gonna go viral.
Yes. What does that mean?
Video of the hamster doing the dance?
Yes,
That
you've
is
seen it already. It's so cool. It's what I was just looking at. What? Oh!
No, but it's, yeah, it was literally invented in 1996.
I knew that.
No, it's been a while
I
since
was
I've
watching
seen it.
that.
Yeah, me too. Vintage.
Oh my god. I love college. Let's just never leave.
Yeah, let's stay here. Let's become best friends.
Yes.
Let's clean each other's stuff.
Let's.
Okay, all right. You want to clean our stuff?
Yeah, is that weird?
I
I don't
we
know.
gotta get rid of the RA.
You're right.
Yeah.
You do have to get rid of me.
No, this place has been super awesome
Very
since
safe.
she left.
Yeah.
Did you notice that? Like, we all started bonding. We were, I know what to do. I know what to do.
Do it.
Banana peels. She trips on one. She's in
you got him.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Okay, I know this is maybe breaking like some kind of roommate rule, but I saw you put this bag on your bed. It's an entire garbage bag.
Oh.
Full of bananas.
Hey guys, get
Hey,
She's seen too much.